Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 31st July 2026 and you're watching today's post-market report. Let's begin with today's market action. Today, the Indian markets opened with a slight gap up and managed to close in the green. However, throughout the trading session, the markets remained under pressure, mainly due to heavy selling in the IT sector. Talking about sectoral performance, FMCG and IT were the top losing sectors today, while media and auto emerged as the top gainers. Now, let's move to today's major updates. Global markets witnessed a massive comeback today, led by Asian technology stocks. South Korea's Kospi index recorded its biggest single-day percentage gain in history, rebounding sharply after 3 days of heavy selling. The rally was driven by artificial intelligence and semiconductor stocks. Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix surged more than 23% each, while TSMC also posted a strong rally, helping push the MSCI Asia Pacific Index and the MSCI Emerging Markets Index significantly higher. This rally followed a powerful overnight move in US technology stocks. Amazon jumped nearly 10% after delivering strong quarterly earnings, while Apple fell more than 6% after warning about supply shortages affecting future sales. Overall, investors are once again showing confidence in AI-related companies, although market volatility remains high during the ongoing earnings season. While global semiconductor stocks rallied sharply, Indian IT companies witnessed profit booking today. After a strong 5-day rally, investors booked profits in major IT names including Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Persistent Systems, and LITM Mindtree. Despite today's correction, the Nifty IT index is still up nearly 16% during July, making it one of its strongest monthly performances in the last 6 years. Market experts believe this rally was driven more by attractive valuations and improving investor sentiment rather than a major improvement in earnings. Meanwhile, foreign institutional investors continue to show confidence in Indian equities. Over the last 3 trading sessions, FIIs have purchased around 7,360 crore rupees, indicating that global investors still see long-term value in Indian markets despite short-term volatility. Corporate earnings released so far are also showing gradual improvement, providing support to benchmark indices. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Every morning before the market opens, I upload a detailed pre-market report, and every evening after the market closes, I bring you a complete post-market report. So make sure to subscribe to Stock Market Meridian and press the bell icon so you never miss any important market updates. Now, let's continue. The Reserve Bank of India has announced new rules for bulk deposits aimed at improving transparency in the banking system. From 1st October 2026, banks will be allowed to offer different interest rates on bulk deposits based on liquidity requirements under the LCR framework. However, every bank must publish its bulk deposit interest rates on its website daily before 10 a.m. and the rates must remain uniform across all branches without any hidden or selective pricing. This move comes after HDFC Bank faced scrutiny over its bulk deposit practices involving the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation. With these revised rules, RBI aims to provide a transparent legal framework for bulk deposit pricing while reducing regulatory grey areas. Indian Railways has announced an ambitious rupees 13 lakh crore rupees infrastructure expansion plan. More than 400 railway projects are being sanctioned to remove network bottlenecks and increase track capacity across the country. The government aims to complete these projects by around 2032. The objective is to increase railways' freight market share from the current 27% to nearly 40-45%, shifting cargo transportation from roads to rail and improving efficiency for both freight and passenger services. Larsen & Toubro has strengthened its global presence by signing a 6-year EPC framework agreement with Petroleum Development Oman or PDO. Under this agreement, L&T has been selected as one of only 4 preferred EPC contractors eligible to participate in future engineering and construction projects in Oman. This partnership further strengthens L&T's international order pipeline and long-term growth prospects. The Supreme Court has dismissed the Competition Commission of India's appeal against Grasim Industries. With this decision, the earlier 301 crore penalty imposed on Grasim has been officially quashed. The judgment brings legal clarity and is considered a positive development for the company. Now let's check today's company's quarterly results. First, Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma reported an overall stable quarter. Most earnings parameters improved, although EBITDA margins declined slightly on both a yearly and quarterly basis. Overall, the results can be considered average to satisfactory. Next, GAIL India. GAIL delivered a strong set of quarterly numbers. Revenue, EBITDA, net profit and margins all showed significant improvement, indicating strong business momentum. Overall, the the results were very positive. Next, Dixon Technologies. Dixon Technologies reported strong growth in revenue and net profit. However, EBITDA margins declined slightly on both a yearly and quarterly basis. Overall, the results remained good, supported by healthy earnings growth. Next, Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv posted a strong growth in top-line earnings, while its overall asset quality also remained healthy. However, quarterly gross NPA and net NPA numbers were not clearly available. Overall, the company's quarterly performance was good. So, that's all for today's post-market report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Stock Market Meridian, and press the bell icon for daily market updates. I'll see you again on Monday morning with another detailed pre-market report before the market opens. Until then, thank you for watching. Signing off, Jai Hind.